In this video, I'll show you how to check when a reel was posted on Instagram. Ensure you subscribe and turn on bell notification to this channel for lots of education and guides and contents like this. If you love to see when a reel was posted on Instagram, head over to our Instagram. Right, this is our Instagram. So let's say you want to check when this reel was posted, right? So I'm currently on my Instagram. So just click on these three dotted icons, right? Once I've clicked on this, the more you're gonna look for go to post, right? Click on this go to post, and if you click on the go to post, you're going to check under these likes, right, under the reactions. So right here you can see this reel was posted on October 28th, 2024, right? So this is basically how you can check when a reel was posted on Instagram. Go to the go to post, check the dates under the likes, right? So this is basically how you can check this. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.